This video, we're going to talk about how do you create Facebook Reels for your Facebook business page from your existing Facebook videos. Yes, you can do that. Before we jump into it and see all the steps, make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, this is really cool and kind of hidden feature on Facebook. You can repurpose your long horizontal videos that you post on your Facebook page into Reels, and guess what? You do not have to pay for any tools. You don't need any external tool. It's a feature inside Facebook that I guess many people do not know. So here's how you do it. And by the way, if you post videos on your Facebook page, this is awesome because you can repurpose that into Reels and create like unlimited content on your Facebook business pages. And Reels, by the way, make a note of this. Reels on Facebook is the best format if you want to grow your page organically. All right, so here you go. Let me show you all the steps. Actually, super simple. Take any video. For example, this video we posted on this page, and this video is about 4 minutes and 17 seconds. So what you want to do is, and you can go back and do the same thing on your previously posted videos that you posted in the past. So we're gonna click here, and you're gonna actually see, oh, right here, create a reel. And now it is actually going to walk you through it. It will convert your Facebook videos, horizontal videos, into Reels. Here you go. A couple of things here. Clip from create clip. So it's kind of like creating clips from your posted videos, or repurposing your video into Reels. First thing, you can auto suggested length. You can make it 20 seconds or 7 seconds. So Facebook will automatically pick 20 seconds from your long video and suggest that you post that as a reel. So totally up to you. By the way, if you select 7 seconds, you can post it to your reels and stories. So think about this: a video turned into reel and story. So one content becomes 3. How cool is that? And here, for now, here is what Facebook selected for me, this portion right here, 20-second portion. And you can also see in the transcription, here is the selected portion that it is making a reel automatically. Guess what? Obviously, AI is not going to be perfect, but here is another awesome thing. I can just simply, let's say, I want to make all of this into Facebook Reel. I can highlight that, and when I let go, actually, oh, there you go. So it tells me create clip from this selection, the 39 seconds. So if you do not like the auto suggested reel from Facebook, you can highlight any portion. So I can highlight this right here, and I can create a clip from my own selection. So this is awesome. So you can use auto clips, or you can manually select something that makes sense and then make that into a reel. All right, so I'm gonna go back to what was suggested by Facebook. Now, there are a couple of steps here. So after you're done here, let's hit next. Now, this is where, let me actually make sure the volume is off, the audio is off. So layout and crop. So you can do, I don't know what's going on. That looks like my Wi-Fi is acting up. But if you select horizontal, it's basically gonna, let me see if I can make this bigger and you can see this properly. Yeah, you can. So if you pick horizontal, it's gonna select the horizontal piece from your video and put black bars on the top and the bottom. But you can, here's another awesome thing. You can also select full screen, and it's gonna take your video and make it full screen. It does take, depending on whichever one you pick, like this, that's full screen, and here's the video right here. That's the original. So you can, totally up to you which one you want to do. The smart cropping, sometimes it does take, ooh, what's going on over here? It does take a few seconds for that to get done. All right, so once you select the layout, let's go to our step number 3, and this is where you can enter whatever caption, hashtags. You can enter that here. If it's a shorter clip, I believe it needs to be less than 15 seconds, but I could be wrong. It's less than 15 seconds or 10 seconds, but you might be able to post it on Reels or Stories. So right now I'm not able to select that. This is a 20-second clips. So I believe it needs to be, your clips is longer than 20 seconds if you want to publish your stories. edit the clip to be shorter. So it looks like it needs to be 20 seconds or less. So it needs to be 19 seconds for you to be able to post it to stories also. Enable remixing. That's where other people, when they see your Facebook reel, they can use it and remix it, which I think you should allow other people, because you can spread your content even more. And then once you're done with everything, publish reels. How cool is this? You can turn your existing Facebook videos into Facebook reels in seconds without any third-party tools. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.